Welcome to Southeast Ohio Solar Haven on this sunny day. Well, you can see all the property markers, or well, not really well, there is some property markers and stuff, but you know, right here, side of my yard here, and you see AEP right away. Yep. They got a lot of stuff marked out getting ready for their construction process come August. We've got our deal settled with them. And all I can say is, I don't want to put nothing out there, but it was very lucrative. So, you know, they got it all marked out in the back property and all that happy jazz. So, I guess they're going to be putting a tower over here somewhere or over here. I don't know which place yet. But it seems like this red marker here with the red flag might be a tower. They told us down here by these trees, but I think they're going to take these trees out of the way because whatever. All kinds of fun stuff. But yeah, I might have got some new projects to deal with. Maybe. Sorry about the fast swing. That makes me dizzy when I'm watching editing, so I should edit that stuff out. Anyway, I'm going to take you on the backside. Oh, what do we got here? Uh-oh. More panels. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. My buddy Bob's back in town. We haven't done a video with him yet, but we will. So he went down south to Savannah, Georgia to pick up a truckload of panels from Santan Solar. And I thought, well, they're $50 a piece. Pick me up 4. I mean, it's an extra 1,000 plus watts of power. And so far, I don't see nothing wrong with these panels whatsoever. I mean, other than, you know, where they've been mounted, you know. But the oddball was, look at the power rating on these. 260 watt. Now, we all know that these are relabeled Trina panels, which I'll probably end up checking these cables over real well. And most likely be redoing the MC4 connectors because some of them look like they have a little bit of corrosion on it, but I keep them stockpiled around for replacing things like that. And my biggest thing is where do I put 4 panels? Well, I want your opinion on this, people, because me and the wife's having a debate about it. We got the big array. We all know about the big array and everything. And I'll take you through a process here. Of course, I've got the solar racks. Now that's an option. I could build another one of these racks for 4 panels. But then you got tires, and I'm tired of dealing with the tires. Or I can set them on top of this building. Well, my thinking was, with the building, was I was going to take these 2 panels off this old rack because it's starting to fall apart now because it was made of wood basically. And since these panels power the shed, put them on there. That's an all steel rack right there, so I don't have to worry about that. Or I can put those 4 panels on top of this roof here that I just showed you. But my thinking was since I get this crazy evening sunshine, because the sun will come up over this way, arc over, and go, you can see my panels right here, we're on the edge of them. They don't arc over coming down this way in the evening. I pretty well got a southern facing solar panel system here. That's what I have. And my thinking was, since it doesn't start to shade down here in the evening, it's a little bit lower down the hill. I still got full sunshine here, of course. Come alongside here and these weeds, clear out these weeds and everything. Since my property line, as you can see, the property marker's over there, and that's about 20 feet away. And the property marker just goes up through the middle and goes up to the side there. I could build another solar array rack right down here below the hill from the panels, facing up towards that way in the evening. And I'll catch that southwestern sun. It's, you know, it's 1,060 watts, but I've been watching it on the sunny days, and it would give me power clear to 7:30, 8 o'clock at night from that extra set of panels. So I'm thinking, instead of when I die off in the evening, come around 6 o'clock because of the sun angles getting low on this side. I still produce power, don't get me wrong. I don't have a complete shutdown of power, but you have your curve, it drops. I could throw an extra 1,000 watts of panels down that way, and that curve that I need for the evening would stay until 8:30, and it would give me about a 12 and a half, 13 hour window during the day and the summer of full sunshine. And the extra 1,000 watts, you know, it's 1,000 watts of power. Sure, I could probably push some of this, but this hits my battery bank so hard in the morning, it's charged, and I don't have to worry about nothing for the rest of the day until about the 5, 6 o'clock region. So that's my idea. And you know, if people want to give a comment, something down there, you know, throw out some ideas. You know, I could put it on the roof up here, but I've only got that small window of opportunity. I can take and put these panels up there for the shed and they'll be okay. Those 6 panels on the roof there still go into the house. So don't those 6, those go into the house. So don't these, they're all going to the house. Different setups, but different wattage panels, but they got their perspective controllers that control the voltage or wattage and what I'm dealing with. And hopefully sometime soon in the future here, we're gonna have lithium, so that will help a lot. So yeah, just throw out your ideas there, give me an idea what you think. Other than that, it's a beautiful sunny day out, running about 80 degrees Fahrenheit today. Not too humid, not too hot, just about right. I'm not sweating my pants off. How's that sound? But yeah, if you're wondering about this, yeah, this is part of the right-of-way easement stuff, and it's kind of crazy how that's working out. And you got the first peg over here, and then you can see on the side, and there's a second peg, and it still shoots over my house. So yeah, we're going to still, we argued about that, and we won the battle. So all I gotta say is I hope y'all are having a nice, sunny, enjoyable day. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching the channel like you always do. If you're a new subscriber, hey, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button. It'll only hurt once, I promise, only once. Click that subscribe, like button, and tell people about it. So thank you for watching, ladies and gents. I'll talk to you later. There is going to be more stuff coming to you. I just been a little bit lazy this year, that's all it is. Alrighty, later, have fun.